Nasa mo tayo pa yung
Kapilive to guys, muna i-live. Ang muna i-live.
Lima kayo ha? Lima yung job doon. Ayun pa pa siya doon. Isa ha? Gano'n nyo na palang pare, mantutong kayo ako nang unang uwis na kayo. Besa, ano nung
Pisto ka. Pisto ka tos. Ibaon yun sa... Sige, pati ka.
On last average ball. 14 seconds to shoot.
Hey, Katal! Katal! Sa Makuta!
Still by Kaka. All rounds, one the ball. Warning jersey number 28.
Richard.
He is complaining. Again. On jersey number 3. That's your second personal foul. Score all 26. Jersey number 27. Sudah sampai Santos. Santos Perlawan press. On one side of balls.
Tahu.
Gam!
Again, Miguel Perlawan press. Wala high. On jersey number 6, Rosario substitution.
Hey! Ito nagkantableng, ako kumburag.
Substitution.
Exhibition ah.
Kaya, tarkani mo?
Santos. Holy Celeste, on jersey number 17.
Ba, taas kamay lang yun ba? Sundutan.
Basahin ang kanan ng mga Tigres Santos. Santos Mike na wala. Wala. Jersey number 9 to jersey number 28. Wala pa rin. Wala Santos. Santos. Thank you. 2 points for jersey number 20.
Tara, tara, tara.
On Basanoy, jersey number 17. Castro Roman pass. Rexon. Bigay mo ulit kay Castro. Castro again. Wala pa rin. All around Brothers Ball. It's gone. Occupied by the team Walters. And coming in 50 seconds. Santos Lieutenant Bologna. Laureano.
Ikaw, bigay, wala ito.
Pusapa.
Bigay.
10 seconds to shoot. This is number 15. Wala number Rexon. Good pass. Good pass to Rexon. Wala, ibang ball. Pushing ball. The jersey number 6. Action second. Personal foul. Penalty. Santos rolling now. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, Santos ball.
Wala man tak kumundi man sa kipasan ng pitang manong. Nagaduga labang man eh.
Again.
Uli! Uli!
Rosario again. Works out. That's it. 2 points. Go again. Santos. Firing. 1 minute 40 seconds to go. Time to play. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 88. Santos. Santos Alexa. That's you. 2 points for jersey number 30. Castro. Big engagement. That's you. 2 points for the time. Santos may tangan ng bola. Time remaining. 1 minute. Big engagement. 10 seconds to
Alam.
shoot. Rebound by Castro. Jersey number 13. Wala. Rebound by Rosario. To Castro. Castro connection. And steal. Wow.
Taluwa ka lang. Taluwa ka lang abang. Taluwa ka lang abang. Taluwa ka lang.
Aureliano. That's it. Done. Yeah. It's 5 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 9, Ola. Shot clock violation. And remaining 15 seconds. And seconds. 5 seconds.
Last shot! Last shot! Last shot!